Hello and welcome to this brief walkthrough of Oneflow. My name is Charlotta, and during this minute, I will take you through the main features and benefits of our platform. Contract management can be a time-consuming and tedious task. That's why we've developed a platform that simplifies and streamlines the entire process, from contract creation to signature and then archiving. Let's get started. When you first log into Oneflow, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. An overview that gives you analytics and insights. You can track the status of documents, see signed documents, and of course, monitor the progress of your deals in real time. Each dashboard is unique for its workspace. Here, you have all your created documents gathered. You can also import signed documents, so you have everything in one place. To make it easier to find documents, we have the powerful search tool where you can search and filter in the list, and you can of course also tag documents. You can create and gather documents in folders. There is also a quick way of adding value of the deal, create internal reminders, message participants in the document, and download the specific document or export the entire list. In the calendar view, you get an overview of the reminders and activities regarding the documents, so you know when it's time to renegotiate or maybe end the deals. In Oneflow's platform, you can make customizable templates to help you create documents quickly and easily. For inspiration, head over to our template library. You can create templates for common document types like NDAs, employment contract, business proposal, and much more. Our address book is a useful tool to have as it allows you to easily store and access contact information for all the parties involved in a document. Oneflow's platform streamlines the entire contract management process. You can either start from scratch or utilize a template when you want to create, edit, and send documents with just a few clicks. Plus, our platform integrates with other apps and tools that you're already using, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Teamtailor, and much more. One of the biggest benefits of our platform is the speed in which documents can be signed. You can send documents to multiple parties for signature, and they can sign from anywhere and any device. Plus, our platform provides advanced security features to ensure that the documents are signed securely. That's a brief walkthrough of our main features and benefits of Oneflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. To learn more about Oneflow, please visit our website, join our weekly webinars, or contact us. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching.